Look what we have here. This almost looks like a brand new Mini Cooper S, and that is because it basically is 2024 Mini Cooper S with 9,000 miles on it. I love this color combo. This is it's almost like a metallic pearlescent white with all the black accents, black interior, and I mean, it's got the new car smell in there, non-smoker. What you would expect for the year and mileage on this one. I love the gloss black wheels. Has the factory Pirelli tires with 9,000 miles on them, so they have tons of tread life left. I love the new redesign on the newer Mini Coopers. You get the halo ring there, that's your daytime running light, and then it's the yellow ring for turn signal as well. Sight down the side here, don't see any dings. Really nice shape. Another good look at those Pirelli tires and those gloss black wheels. Hatch open here, still has the cargo partition, folding rear seats. You get another storage cubby, smuggler's bin down there as well. Have the dual moon roof on this one, and then I'm actually going to turn on the lights here because I just love these rear Union Jack tail lights. Just really cool, unique thing that Mini does. And going around to the front, that should turn on the halos for us as well. If you're getting any flickering on the cameras from those halos, that is just our camera reacting with the LEDs. Those are LED rings. They're rock solid in person. Don't see any dings at all on the car. Maybe something there, that might just be a smudge, but I mean, it is in just immaculate shape, as you would expect for a 2024 Mini Cooper S with 9,000 miles. Let's hop in and get to the best part. It's gonna be dinging at us because we got the parking lights on, so we'll turn those off. Get buckled up here. And then Mini Cooper, they have the fun switches down here. So you have your start stop switch. It's not a button, and I apologize, I said 9,000, actually 13,000 miles. And we have dual auto climate. It's a 2024, so it's loaded for options. Nice backup camera. I know we can turn on the parking lines and the object detector. Heated seats, heated steering wheel as well. And man, it feels like we're in a new car, because I mean, let's face it, we pretty much are. Dual auto climate. Really good Harman Kardon premium sound system. We'll see if there's anything on the radio here today. We'll see if we can get to a station. Of course, this being a 2024, we have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Really nice sound system. Harman Kardon does a very nice job. I'll close this sunshade here just to try to help with some of the sun glare. And I really do love Mini Coopers. I used to have one. Mine had quite a few more miles than this one. When I sold it, had 198,000 miles. So this one with 13, not even broken yet. But there's a ton of fun, super economical. And then the newer 2024s, the 2022, 23s, they're just really quiet. They cruise on the highway nice, but when you put them in sport mode You can flip up, you can put them in a sport mode, and they're just a ton of fun just in around town. And you still get over 30 miles to the gallon. Plenty of get up and go. And there's well over 60 miles an hour in no time. Track straight and true as you would assume. We'll get on the brakes here, let this Scion in. Give us a call. 2024 Mini Cooper S with 13,000 miles. 319-393-8496. EuropeanMotorsIowa.com. We do offer shipping in the lower 48 states. So if you're not in the eastern Iowa, Cedar Rapids area, give us a call. We can get you more details about that. Or if you're here in the Midwest, we're about 4 hours away from Chicago, St. Louis, Omaha. Stop on by and take a look at this sweet ride for yourself. 2024 Mini Cooper S. If you're here in the Midwest, we also offer service for most German and European cars as well. So if you're in the area, stop on by. We can service your Mini, BMW, all those needs as well. 319-393-8496. Thanks for watching.